Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, your independent Pampered Chef consultant. Have you been missing me? I sure have been missing you guys. I took a few months off, but now I'm back. And it's a brand new season of Cooking with Louise and a start of a brand new season with Pampered Chef. Stick around and find out what our new products are. That as a Pampered Chef director and a consultant, I get new products for free. So I've just received my boxes of all the free goodies and I'm super excited to share them with you. Stay around for the very end because I will reveal the big ticket item for this season and you're not going to want to miss this. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with our pantry products. Each season we introduce new pantry products and this sounds absolutely delicious. It is a sourdough bread mix. So as you already know, we have a whole line of different bread mixes and cake mixes and cookie mixes, all of them absolutely delicious. So I'm super excited to try the sourdough bread. That's one of my favorite breads. We are also introducing a new rub, black truffle and herb rub. Oh my goodness, imagine sprinkling that on your mac and cheese or maybe on some mashed potatoes. I'm sure we will have lots of delicious recipes that I'll share with you this upcoming season utilizing black truffle and herb rub. How fancy, right? Up next is something that I can't wait to try. It is green goddess dressing. Well, it's called seasoning mix. You know what, guys? All of our seasonings and rubs are all gluten-free, so that's really a unique part of Pampered Chef. All right, there it is, green goddess. I think there is a great green goddess pasta salad recipe that's in our cookbook that I can't wait to try. Speaking of the cookbook, I might as well talk about it. Here is our new Season's Best cookbook, and it does have lots of delicious recipes in here. What I like about our Season's Best cookbooks is they're all super easy recipes that do not utilize that many ingredients. This one is called Truffle Burgers. So there you go. That will be perfect for our new truffle rub. All right, up next, you guys ready for this? So you know that we have two great sets of knives, right? We have our color-coded knives and our forged knives. Well, our color-coded knives are all getting an update. That's right, they are all getting new colors. So we have this looks like a utility knife and it's in a beautiful orange color. Let me just show you. Also with the updates, the handles look a little different, right? And the color coding on them is gray. And it has, of course, the protective sleeve. So that's actually a tomato knife. As you can see, it's serrated. And we have, let me just quickly whip through these real fast with you guys. This one is our chef knife, and it is a slate blue color. And again, the color coding is a gray. Then we have a bread knife, and these are all going to be available individually, which is nice. Here's the bread knife. It is not necessarily a white and not a gray, in between color. And we have, oh, this is my favorite color right here. I love green, and this is one of my favorite shades of green. It is an avocado green, like avocado green back in the day. And next up we have, this looks like a Santoku knife. Let's get that one out. Oopsie. Yes, this is a Santoku knife, and it is in a pale baby blue color. Again, super pretty. Get it in the protective thing. And then this color, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's like an eggplant or a plum. I'm not sure what we call these colors yet, but oh, this is a little petite paring knife, and look at this color. I love it. The handles are really nicely shaped. Okay, so those are our new knives. Absolutely love those. Let's move on to our next new item, shall we? Let me grab a few. All right, so our little cleaning brush is just getting a color update. The same little dual-sided cleaning brush. Kind of reminds me of a toothbrush, but it is now in gray, so that's going to be super handy. And this I'm super excited about. I should stop saying that, but I really am. So, you know we have our chef knife, our chef tongs, right? So this is called a spatula tong. I've never seen these out on the market. So it's a spatula, but just like our chef tongs. So this side has kind of got some ridges, as you can see. And then, so now flipping over a burger or a large piece of chicken or a pork chop or whatever, super nice. And what I like about our tongs is that they stay closed. So to open them, you squeeze to open. To close, you hold them up and it'll stay closed. A great addition. Up next is a large scoop. Well, extra large. So you know we already have 3 sizes of our scoops. We have small, medium, and large. This one is now called an extra large. So this one is going to be perfect when making big, giant cookies or when you're filling our large muffin pan. This is going to be perfect for that. Now we have 4 sizes. All right, this is called a cup slicer. Now, I have not used any of these products yet, so I know that this one has gotten some great reviews from other consultants. So I will be using this soon now that I've got it opened. So it's called a cup slicer. I think, oh, this is just the protective guard. And I believe you just let's say I have strawberries I want to slice, or kiwi, or some banana, or whatever. You put those on your cutting board and you press down and it will slice them and then come up here. You're going to have to watch for a video tutorial coming soon, all right? That way I can show you exactly how to use our cup slicer. All right, up next, let me see here. This is called a utensil scrubber. And this looks handy dandy. Actually, it's kind of funny looking. It reminds me of a great big mouth. Hello, how are you? Sorry. But it can open flat to scrub, or let's say you were needing to wash your knives for safety purposes. You just put your knife in there and then you can go like that and it will clean off your knives, or whatever else you want to wash off. Like, I guess, a spatula. Not sure, I'll have to play with this, but I can see how it would be very beneficial for your knives. There you go. All right, and here we have a stone fruit wedger. So you know we have our other wedgers, like our apple wedger, pineapple wedger. This is a stone fruit wedger. So think about peach. That has a stone fruit, stone pit in it. So that will wedge the pit out and then you'll get all those little wedges. So I will probably be doing a demo on this as well. So if you like any fruit that has a pit or a stone in the center, this will work perfectly for you. Up next, let's see what we have here. This is, a coated steak knife set. So this is something that we have never had in our color-coded collection before. We do have it in our German collection, but that is a set of steak knives, you guys. So these are 4 to the set, and they come in this beautiful dark gray color. I know this color has a certain name. It's just not on the tip of my tongue. Super pretty, and it is a serrated knife for steak. So that comes in a set of 4, just like that. All right, great addition to our color-coded knives. Get that back in there. And we'll move on to the next product. Let's see what we have here. Oh, let me find the one that goes with this. I'll do this first. All right, here we have bag, clip, and slicer set. So you guys know, of course, that we have our Twix-It clips that have been around with Pampered Chef forever. Now this is a newer idea, and it is called a bag, clip, and slicer. So it's a little happy spoon, comes with a set of 2, and the colors are this pretty blue, which is the same as our bakeware, and it's a happy spoon. And then of course we have it in the gray. So this will just be, you know, your typical bag clip, super easy to use, but it also has a slicer built in right here. So let me see if I can show you. You would put that in there. There you go. You have to hold, you squeeze that, and then you cut it, and it slices your bag. So we used to have a slicer that had a magnet for your refrigerator, and guess what? This has a magnet too, so you can just have these on your refrigerator, and anytime you need to open a bag of something, you can just use that little slicer tool. All right, I'll put those there. Those are great to have in addition. Okay, this is a tart pan with lid. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, this is, oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. It's in our beautiful Tiffany blue color. Love this color. And it is a tart pan. So for those that love to bake, this is right up your alleyway. So this just goes inside here like this, and you have your tart shell here, and you fill it up, and then to easily get it out, you just pop up the bottom like this, and then there you go. So it's easy to serve. And this is ingenious. It has a lid. Now, I have never seen a tart pan with a lid before. How cool is that? Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. The Easter time is coming up on us, and I know we all like to bake, so this is going to be perfect for that. Let me set that over here. And this product here is, oh, excited, an 8-inch square baker with a lid. I'm so excited that our products, you know, are coming with the lids. So, you know, last season we got the rectangle baker with a lid, and I love that for making big desserts and lasagnas and things. But let's say you want to make a pan of brownies. Ta-da! It's in the same beautiful Tiffany blue color. It's our non-stick square baker. It's 8 inches. So you could also do cornbread in here, you guys. Absolutely delicious. And the best part, ta-da, the lid. I am super excited about that. Let me see how I can get that snapped on there. There you go. Now you can make your batch of brownies or your cornbread, and you can store it. You can take it to a potluck or whatever. There you go. I'll put that over here as well. And this is not the big product reveal, but it is a big product. Our big product reveal is coming right up. Almost there. Let me break into this. This is a 12-inch cast iron grill pan skillet. And the thing that I haven't opened underneath here goes with it. So let me show you this, you guys. So you know we have a whole collection of cast iron, right? This is just adding to it. And it is a grill pan. I've never seen one on the market before. Have you guys in cast iron? Cast iron cooking is great because you can get a great sear on your steaks or whatever it is you're cooking. This can go out on your barbecue grill. Amazing. And it comes with a handy dandy scraper cleaner that has the notches cut out so you can easily clean in between these ridges. So now you're wondering, what is in here? Well, it accompanies this. It is a cast iron grill press. So if you were doing something that you wanted to flatten out, you could cook your chicken. Let me just show you. Let me get this open. I know I make a lot of people nervous with my great big old wallpaper scissors. All right, look at this. Look at the shape. That's super cool. Look at that, you guys. So it is got the ridges on here, and it will fit right inside. Woo, that's heavy. Our grill pan. This is probably also, well, obviously it will fit in our cast iron skillets that we already carry. So that's great. All right, who's ready to see the big reveal product? I know I'm super excited to show it to you guys. Ta-da! Here it is, you guys, our brand new big ticket item. It is a Deluxe stand mixer. Can you imagine this? Move over, KitchenAid. Pampered Chef is coming on through. I am super excited about this. Let me show you the actual product. I have just unboxed it. I saved you from watching me try to wrestle this sucker out of the packaging. But here it is. And of course it comes with a handy dandy cookbook, just like our Deluxe cooking blender, just like our Deluxe air fryer, our Deluxe electric grill and grill. They all come with their very own handy dandy cooking guide filled with delicious recipes. So here it is. Now, I love the sleek look of it. It's such a beautiful gunmetal gray. I think that's what this is called. Not 100% sure, but I cannot wait to play with this. You better believe it that there will be some videos coming soon on what you can do with this powerful blender. It comes with lots of different attachments. It comes with this beautiful metal mixing bowl, and I cannot wait to start using this. So there you have it, you guys, our new product line for spring summer 2023. I am very excited, as you can tell, and I would love to see or know what products that you are most excited about. So after you watch this video, please down below in the comments area, let me know what products you are most excited about. Now, you guys know the drill. If you would like to have any of these products in your kitchen, you can easily place an order with my personal website. But if you would like to get something like this, for example, or my favorite Deluxe air fryer or the blender, then of course you're going to want to host a party and get those products for half price or maybe even 60% off. All right, you guys, please give me some thumbs up, like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thanks so much, you guys, and like I always say, happy cooking!